I want you to subscribe to my channel, Geomatics. Okay, Geomatics. Subscribe to my channel, and you can share it with your colleagues whom you feel would probably need it, and you leave your comments behind. Okay, so that I can improve my next videos. Usually, it would be nice if I can know what you're expecting or what I'm missing. Okay, so that I can improve on my coming videos, and hopefully it will all go well. So please subscribe and leave your comments behind. Thank you. Okay, guys. So I think today we should do some. I think today we should work on a project. So in the next videos we'll find some projects and we'll work on them so that we can sharpen our skills. The basics, what we've been learning for the previous videos, we would sharpen our skills and try to see if we understand them and how we can use them to solve more practical problems. Okay. So today I found a very simple project. So a student is going to give us his mark, then we'll tell him that, oh, you are in first class, or you are in second class, or you are in third class, or you are an average student, or you failed. You understand? So we will be making use of a lot of if statements, conditions. Okay. Think conditions, basically conditions. So let's try it. For now, we will assume that a student has marks of 60. Okay, 60. So we are going to say that. Okay, so I wrote something down here. Let me see if I still have it. The criteria for determining what mark you are. Okay, so we are going to say that if the student mark is above 70, then the student is a first class student. So let's write an if statement for that. So if mark is greater than 70, then column. For now, we'll just print. Okay, ideally you can put a method there, but we'll just print. Wow, oh, congrats. You are a first class student. All right. So that's a good condition. Now we will be making use of the ellipse. Okay, so we'll say elif mark. So for a second class upper, it means the mark has to be between 65 and 69.9. So I'm going to say elif marker a mark the mark is between 65. So I'll use this notation. Okay, so 65 is less than mark, and mark is less than 69.999. Add an extra 9 here. Okay, so print you are a second class upper student. I hope you're getting the logic here. Okay, so this is just basics. It's just basic conditions. Okay, elif. So say elif. So okay, for a third class, no, a second class lower. Sorry. So second class lower is, let's say second class lower is between 60 and 64.9. So we'll say 60 is less than second class, or it's less than the mark, and the mark. Oh, less than. It's less than the mark, and the mark is less than 65, 64.999. Okay. Then we'll just make a simple output. So you print. I'll just copy this one. Seriously. It's the reason why copy and paste exists. All right. So second class lower student. Okay, and then we'll make another condition. Elif. So for a third class is between 50 and 59.999. So elif 50 is less than mark, and mark is less than 59.999, right? 59.999. All right. So here to just give an output. You are a third class student. We don't have third class upper, so you are a third class student. And then elif mark is, I think that's all right. Let me see. Okay, there's a pass before you fail. So elif mark is, so what would a pass be? A pass is between 45 and 50.999. So elif 45 is less than the mark, and the mark is less than 50.999. So we say print. Let's just print well, fast. I hope you are getting the hang of it, right? Okay, then the rest is filled. So let's say mark is less than 45. Okay, so if mark is less than, oh, sorry, if mark is less than 45, what do we see? Ooh, failed. All right. So with a mark, so I think that's all. Okay, so with a mark of 60, let's run the code and see. Okay, we don't get anything in response. Let's analyze the code again. Ah, okay, I see where the problem is coming from. You realize we have mark of 60. 60 is on the exact point. We shall set or equals to. So if mark is less than or equals to 60, or equals to, so I think we have to add or equals to here. So that's the baseline. Okay, so here we'll not add or equals to anything less than. Okay, and we'll add an equal to here. So 70 is part of the first class. All right. I think we should add or equal to here too. So that's 69.999 and 65. No. Okay, so let's run it again. Here, the equal to comes after the less than sign. Okay, is that the only place I've done that? I was thinking of adding the equals to for all of them, so that 59 will also be second class upper. 59 is second class upper. Oh no, it won't make sense. Let 59. These guys are not okay. So that's why I'm taking. Yeah, second class up, second class lower student 60. Wow. Okay, 60 is lower. All right. So, but you get the idea, right? Now, obviously, I didn't plan through the limits. Okay, the limits of my marks. For instance, what I'm trying to say is I didn't plan if a person has 64.999, should the person be a first, I mean, an upper student or a third class student, like, or a lower student. I didn't plan all these things. So if you have a project you want to analyze, I mean, you want to use conditions into, that's a very classic example. Okay, you can use this. So it takes the results or the marks of the student, it loops through all of them and try to find out, is this mark, is it greater than or equals to 70? No, it's not. Is it between 60 and 65? No, it's not. Is it between 60 and 64? Okay, yeah, it's between 60 and 64. All right, is it equals to? It's equals to. So then it gives you this results and ignores the rest. Remember, you can always put an else statement. Okay, else. What do you print? So if you feel like you've not exhausted all the conditions, you can put an else statement, and you can just say you're not a student or something. I'm sure you would have a practical example or a practical use of this. I just wanted to show you how it stands so that you can use it whenever you need to. Right? Okay. Yeah. So we have this now. You remember we learned the input statement, right? The input statement function. So you can use the input function to get data from the user. Okay. So you can ask the user what his mark is. What's your mark? All right. Then you get the mark, convert into a float, and assign it to this, and then you can do your computation. So let's see. Let's say he has 45. Okay, we've passed. All right. Try again. Let's say he has 90. Okay, congrats, you're a first class student. So it's quite dynamic and it's working. I think you get the idea.